Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to use Kaizen Languages, learn Spanish and Japanese that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So if you notice, I have opened my Google Play Store and I have searched Kaizen Languages in the search bar, and here it is. And before we install this app, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So learn a language by speaking, there. Explore a language with our AI tutors. Learn new words. Always understand the conversation. Speak correctly with feedback. Reach your goals and achieve fluency, and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that the language learning app designed by language experts to get you to speak confidently in your new language. The tutors are more than just smart, they are fun and interactive. The conversations evolve based on your responses and help you understand the language and culture through immersive conversations. Whether you are a new language learner already on your journey to polyglot, we can take your language skills to the next level by starting Kaizen language learning app. So it's done. Let's go ahead and open it, and here it is. So learn to speak Japanese, you'd have to create an account first. So let me go ahead and sign it up. Alright, so I have created an account and now I am in this page. Select language. So let's go ahead and select Japanese. We're going to learn Japanese. Daily reminders, so you can set this one up. So let's say around 7. I'm going to start learning at around 7:30. Then you can set it now or set it later. So let's just set it now and set your daily goal. So just 10 experience there, set. How did you hear about us? So let's just choose other and continue. Alright, lesson 1, you're about to meet Mizuki, a Japanese teacher from Tokyo. She'll teach you the basics. Good luck. Greetings. Hajimemashite, how do you do? So when the instructions below, when you meet someone for the first time in Japanese, we say hajimemashite, which is pronounced hajimemashite. Try saying it with Mizuki now. So if you want to practice right away, just tap this one here, the microphone icon, and then you can also translate it, choose a character there. So that's the kanji, this one is romaji, and this one is hiragana. This one is translation, so just enable the translation if you want to, or you can disable it, but I prefer it enabled so that you'll be able to understand the words. Alright, so suggestions there, that's the suggestion. And the 3 dots at the bottom is where you can start and then subscribe to the premium version. So it's up to you. This one here is type, where you can type something. You want to type your responses. If you don't want to use a microphone, then you can use a type so that you can reply back. Alright, so let's just type in hajimemashite, hajimemashite, then send. So there. So good evening. So by holding down the chat speech bubble, you can listen to the audio slow down. Alright, so good evening is konbanwa. There, that's how you use this application. Leave the session, so let's just leave for now. Alright, so this is the home page. Right now, our teacher is Mizuki Inoue, and we haven't completed the lesson 1 yet. So the lesson 2 will be Satoshi Kobayashi, then lesson 3 is Miho Shinkawata Kuma or Guma. And you can choose your lessons in here, and then flashcards there. So flashcards, complete lessons. To unlock the flashcards, review these. Alright, so before you can unlock this, you have to complete the lessons first. So you have to go back in here, start from Mizuki Inoue, complete the lessons, and then you can proceed to the flashcards. Progress is where you can see your progress each day. You can even change the daily reminders in here. So each lesson contains 10 10 experience, or you can modify this to set it to 20 or 30. It's up to you. Then your current streak, best streak, and so on. Profile is where you can see your personal information. I'm not going to open the profile for security reasons, since my personal information will be displayed. So just think of the profile is where you can see your personal information, like your email and passwords. So let's go back to this one. Let's try to jump to Satoshi if this is okay. Right, let's try this one. Hajimemashite, how do you do? I am Kobayashi desu. Nice to meet you. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. And then the instructions below. Let's get started by introducing yourself. Boku is used by males when referring to yourself instead of watashi. Alright, then you can also tap the suggestions there, and then you just choose the microphone, or tap the microphone if you want to use your words, use your voice. And if you don't want to, then just tap the type where you can chat back to Satoshi or Kobayashi. So let's this one is a little bit, or we can just copy this one here if we can. Alright, we're not allowed, so we have to type it manually. So hajimemashite. Send. What's your name? So namae wa nan desu ka? Let's just say I didn't understand, so choto wakarimasen deshita. Alright, so the suggestion says that I am Tanaka, so you have to say something like this: watashi wa Tanaka desu. There. So we have to type it in Japanese. So let's try that again. Okay, so let's just use the suggestion in here, which is watashi wa Tanaka desu. Alright, send, and there. So which country are you from? Anata wa doko no kuni no shushin desu ka? Then the instruction says you say you are from a specific country. You use watashi wa plus country no shushin desu. Katakana is used for words taken from another language, also called loan words. You just have to follow the suggestions. You can use it by tapping the microphone. Okay, just say it out loud, or you can just type it in here. So it's up to you. So I prefer using the microphone, but since my microphone is attached, I'm not able to use my voice. Alright, so that's how you use this application. It's really easy to use. If you want to start, then just tap the restart, and everything will start back from scratch. Alright, let's leave, and we haven't completed any conversations yet, so we don't have scores. So 0 experience, 0 fluency, and streak 0. And then you can also, this one here, lessons, you can change it if you want to. So you want to learn Spanish, or Spanish for Spain or Mexican, it's up to you. So I highly recommend this to anyone who's going to travel to Japan. You'll be able to practice by meeting the virtual tutors, Mizuki Inoue, and start speaking Japanese with them to practice your conversation skills as you explore Japan and learn more about Japanese culture. So this application is really for you. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you have learned something for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.